Question number 10. Represent the inequality minus 7 is less than 4x plus 9 is less than or equal to 13 on a number line. This question is asking us to draw the number line of this inequality. So we have to solve the two inequalities that are involved, because obviously you can see that there are two inequalities that are here, this one and this one, that are highlighted there. Now therefore, what we do is to separate the two inequalities and solve them independently. Then we combine them together in order to form the final solution inequality and thereafter draw the required number line. So here we go. The two inequalities involved are minus 7 is less than 4x plus 9, and of course 4x plus 9 is less than or equal to 13. So these are the inequalities that we are going to solve independently. So we have here on this left side, minus 7 is less than 4x plus 9. We transfer this 9 to the left hand side so that we have minus 7 minus 9 is less than 4x. And of course, this gives us minus 16 is less than 4x. And we divide both sides by this 4 in order to isolate the variable x. And because the value 4 that we are going to use to divide both sides in order to isolate x is a positive number, the inequality will not be tampered with, so it will be retained. So we have minus 16 divided by 4 is less than 4x divided by 4. This cancels out, and of course 4 goes here 4 times. So we have our final statement here to be minus 4 is less than x, and that ends the solution to that inequality there. So we move to the right hand side here, and we have 4x. Transferring the plus 9 to the other side gives us less than or equal to 13 minus 9. Okay, so we have here 4x is less than or equal to 4. That is 13 minus 9. Now again we divide both sides by this positive 4 to get 4x divided by 4 is less than or equal to 4 divided by 4. So these cancel out, these also cancel out to 1, so that we have our final statement here to be x is less than or equal to 1. So these two final inequalities we are now going to combine to form one single inequality, so that we have minus 4 is less than x, and that same x is what is less than or equal to 1, combining the right hand side and the left hand side final inequalities together. So having obtained this final inequality solution, so we now draw the required number line. So here we have the horizontal line drawn like this, and we have on this left minus 4, and on the right positive 1. Now we draw a small o on top of each of these two boundary values. Now, for the reason of this inequality being a strict one, strict in the sense that there is no equality in it. So it is strictly less than. So this O here is going to be left very open. It is going to be left open. That is open, that it is not shaded inside. On the other hand, the other one, this one, is going to be shaded because this inequality has equality with it. There is equality sign here. So that makes us to have to shade this center here. And that is very important. Now we will draw a line to connect them. And the variable here is variable x. And of course, this is the final statement of what we are required to draw.